How to put two videos in one screen in CapCut. If any day you would like to put two videos in one screen on CapCut and would like to explore the video like it, but do not know how to do, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch CapCut on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on CapCut on your mobile device. After that, you can choose any of the videos from your very mobile device in order to put in the CapCut or in order to edit in the CapCut. After you choose the very video, now you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to go back. And you can also choose the resolution of the very video. You can either put it in the format of the YouTube video or the normal video, or you can also put it in the format of the Instagram videos, or you can also put it in the format of the TikTok videos. So in order to put the resolution, you have to go to the option of the resolution there. You have to go to the aspect ratio. After you tap on the option of the aspect ratio, you can choose any of those. You can see the 9:16, 1:1, 16:9. For example, the TikTok video icon here is 9:16, or the video aspect is 9:16. So I choose 9:16. After doing that, now you have to go to the next option, that is add overlay. And when you tap on the option of add overlay, now from your very device, you can choose any of the videos that you would like to put and you have to select it. And here in the add overlay, now you have to add the very video. And this way you can add two of the videos in one screen and your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video. And if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.